Hi, I'm Annette from PartyWow, and today I want to show you something from our Sesame Street party range. Today we have the pack of tattoos. There's 8 pieces, the 8 squares of the different characters, 16 tattoos altogether, so you can cut down and make the 2 tattoos. These are good for just like a game at the party, or you can cut them and give them into the favour bags. See if these things in. Okay, so that'll be like one tattoo. Each tattoo has instructions on the back. That's a little hard to see. So if you were to put a tattoo on a child, you just cut out the one you want, peel off a clear layer on the front, and I'll just quickly show you how quickly they work. Oops. So you just get a paper towel with some water on and hold that down for around 10 to 20 seconds. So in the tattoos you've got Elmo, Grover, Abby Cadabby, Oscar the Grouch, Big Bird, Cookie Monster, Ernie, and then there's a second Elmo one, as Elmo's quite popular. So just pressing down and not quite ready. Not quite ready. So it's a little bit done a bit fast, but basically that's what it'll look like. So if you have any questions about these tattoos or anything else in the Sesame Street range, just put a message down below, and please subscribe to us to see further videos. Thank you.